Okay, in this video we are going to refactor things so that we can associate a publisher with a book. So that kind of a typical thing that we want to be doing here, because we did create the publisher entity, we do have a book entity, so chances are books are going to be published by a publisher. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create that relationship. What we want to do is create a bi-directional relationship between publisher and book. So for the publisher, we're going to come up to publisher here, and let's come in and add a new property. We're going to say that we have a set of books, and in this case, previously we did a many to many. Here we want to do a many to one, so the book is only going to have one publisher. So in this case we're going to annotate this with the many to one annotation, and we're going to have a whole section of the course on these relationships. We're just going through getting the setup as an example, and now we need to come back over to publish our book and give the book a property for a publisher. So I'll come in here and say, actually I want to do that under authors, make that a little cleaner. I scroll this up, and in this case this is going to be a many to one. So the one side is going to be the book side of the relationship, and then there will be many publishers. So, but the book was only going to have one publisher. And now I need to come back over to publisher. I need to create the association there. I do need to add in the getters and setters for this. Almost forgot that. And we'll come back over here to publisher. And I made a mistake there. That should be one to many, saying that one publisher goes to many different books. And here what we want to do is map by. So that develops the relationship. Made a mistake there. I misspoke earlier. So the books this is going to be one publisher to many books. And we'll have many to one here for publisher. Now what we want to do is alter the bootstrap data to build that relationship. And here what I want to do is, let's come up here. I'm going to move this block for the publisher above the save operation. And in this case, I want to get the saved publisher. So that'd be the publisher that's being returned. And here, I want to say DDD, saved, set publisher to the saved publisher. And we'll say the publisher is doing both of those. So in this case, we're setting the same entity on same publisher on both the books. And in this, we want to say book repository save, and also and this should be Node-HAB saved here. So that will develop our relationships and persist those to the database. And just to verify that things are working properly, let's go ahead and run the application, make sure that we do in fact start up properly without any errors. Oh, that's my mistake there. I've got a test window running Tomcat, so we had a port conflict. So if you ever see this, where you see a port with 8080 wasn't used, you probably have a second window like I just did that was running Tomcat already. And I shut down the other window. And we can see that the operation is working as expected. We get author, book, and publisher count. So just to recap what I changed here in publisher, I created a set of books, and I'm saying one to many, map by publisher. That is the property on book. So book gets a publisher, and that is annotated with many to one. And we did add in the getters and setters for that private property as well.